Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the earthworm. Okay, let's discuss. So first point is earthworm has reddish brown. They are reddish brown in color and they are terrestrial invertebrates. Okay, their outer body is reddish brown and they live on the land, so they are called as terrestrial, and they lack the vertebra, that's why they call invertebrates. Okay, and the habitat where they live, warm, moist soil. Okay, they are mostly found in soil in the upper layer. Okay, next we are going to talk about the Indian names. Common Indian earthworms names such as Ferritima and Lumbricus. Okay, these are two common Indian earthworm names. Next is morphology. So, how its body is? It is a long, cylindrical body. As we can see, it is long and cylindrical. Long and cylindrical body. Okay. Metameric segmentation. What is metameric segmentation? It is basically the phenomena in which body is divided into hundreds short segment which is similar, about 100 to 120. Okay, for example, these are the segments, these are the metameric segmentation over the body of, can be internal or external. Okay. Next is mid-dorsal line. On the dorsal surface, this is the dorsal view. Okay, on the dorsal surface has a dark median mid-dorsal lines or dorsal blood vessels along the longitudinal axis. Here is not mentioned, but yes, over the dorsal surface there is a dorsal midline. Okay, that contain dorsal blood vessels. Here for the dorsal surface there is a median line, mid dorsal line, that contain dorsal blood vessel along the longitudinal axis. Okay, next is ventral surface. This is ventral view. On the, what is dorsal or ventral? Basically our upper surface on which mouth is shown, that is ventral, and our back view is dorsal and front view is ventral. Okay, this dorsal is basically the back view. Okay, now we are going to ventral surface. In this, genital pores are present as an opening. Okay, for example, first is mouth is present in interior end. For example, this is ventral view, right? This is interior upper surface, this is posterior. Okay, at the interior, at the end, this part is mouth, interior end, this is interior end, and at the interior end mouth is present. Okay, next is prostium. What is prostium? It is the covering law which acts as a covering for mouth. Okay, it is the covering, like first mouth is present, then covering the mouth. This part is known as peristomium, and it is act as a wedge to open the cracks in the soil, as it is wedge in shape, so they can form cracks in the soil. Okay, and earthworm can go inside the soil through the cracks. Next, it is sensory in function. Okay, first body segment is called as peristomium. And what is peristomium? It is basically the buccal segment that contain the mouth part. Okay. Prostomium basically the covering. It is the covering of the mouth and that contain mouth. Next is clitellum. What is clitellum? Basically, it is the dark band of glandular tissue. Okay, dark band. This is dark band of glandular tissue present at 14th to 16th segment. 14th to 14th. 14th to 16th segment. This part is clitellum. Okay, ये क्या है? एक ग्लैंडुलर टिश्यू है, ग्लैंडुलर टिश्यू and dark in view. Okay, they are further converted into three regions. First is preclitellar, second is clitellar, and third is postclitellar. Okay, they are converted into three regions. Now next is spermatheca, aperture. It is basically a aperture in which sperms are present. Okay, there are four pairs and present at 5th to 9th segment at the ventrolateral side of intersegmental grooves. 5th to 9th there is a spermatheca. 5th to 9th openings of a spermatheca. Okay, that 4 pairs are present. Okay, 4 pairs are present. Next is female genital pore. It is single pore and present at 14th segment. That and where it is present, 14th segment, mid ventral line. It is present in the in this diagram is not shown, but yes, 14th segment पे mid पे ये यहाँ कहीं mid पे present है. ओके, 14th segment के mid पे, mid ventral line पे 14th segment पे single female genital pore है. Next is male genital pore. It is present in pairs and at the 18th segment ventrolateral side. This is present at mid ventral and this is present ventrolateral. मतलब ventral view पे lateral sides पे. Okay, nephridiopores. They are minute pores open on body surface. Basically, they are the pores that open on the body surface. That is called as nephridiopores. Next is S-shaped setae. This is very important. S-shaped setae. Okay, where it is not found. It is not found in first, last, and clitellum segment. Okay, there is S-shaped setae not found, and where they are found in the rows of setae embedded in the epidermal pits in the middle of each segment. Okay, they are present in the middle of each segment in the rows. However, they are not present at first, last, and clitellum segment. What is the role of S-shaped setae? It is for locomotion. Okay, that is our morphology. Okay, bye.